Hey friends, I can't wait to share this video with you. Montego Bay, Jamaica, hands down my favorite country to visit. So let's get into it so we can go through the price of the trip, the parties, and all the fun. Let's start out with the plane ride. So first of all, I packed my own snacks. As you can see, I've packed a cute little charcuterie board. Got my headphones, I got everything I need. I did book the first class flight and the price was about $1,064 from Nashville. It was about a 3-hour drive. I did have a layover and it was such a smooth flight, and here we are landing in Montego Bay. The first thing that I do when I get off the plane is go find my girls. Woohoo! There they are. We had a blast together. Let's take a look at Montego Bay. We're on the way to the Iberostar in Montego Bay, and it was about $1,000 for 4 nights, all inclusive. Okay, I made it to the Iberostar. Look, guys, at our little tea area. You know I'm going to be here every morning. Look at this. Ooh, you can put all these in your teas. Yum, yum, yum. Take a look at this large buffet. Wow, so good. Let's see what we have. Olives. Okay, these are pork chops, lamb, fish. That looks good. Ooh, cream spinach, roasted potato, fish sauce, pizza. Ooh, barbecue sauce. Oh, this looks so good. More vegetables. I'm trying to get like a little bit of it. Look, yeah, I'm like, I just want so good. What's over here? Ooh, pasta. And some fried fish. Yum, yum. Take a look at this fruit. Wow. Caribbean pawpaw, melon-like flavor. Salad bar, looks fresh. Wow, this buffet has everything. And then of course the desserts. Ooh, excuse me. It's delicious. Chantilly cream, chocolate cake. Welcome, welcome. All right, let's take a look at my room. So this is the Iberostar. This is an oceanfront room, king size bed. Let's take a look at the view. Ooh. Nice balcony. Oh, wow. Gorgeous. Wow, this is a wraparound corner balcony. Beach cabanas. Very nice. cabins. Oh, yeah. Coconut tree. So this room has a mini bar. It has drinks in it. And there's a safe for your valuables. What else do we have in here? Oh, my favorite. Robes. Yes. Let's check out the bathroom here. Okay, a nice shower. And tub if you're into taking baths at the hotel. All right. Looks very nice. All right, it's time for dinner. Again, everything's all inclusive. So we're gonna have some jerk chicken tonight right on the beach. Take a look. Yes, it's girls' trip.
So the husband must be home worrying.
Husbands are home
When
taking care of
ladies go out,
kids.
they think ladies gonna give us
Literally sitting like right there. That's cute. Those shirts are cute. Toon Squad.
Throughout the video, you're going to see very cute outfits. So I'm going to link those in the description. This dress is one of those. After dinner, we grabbed some ice cream and then we're going to go into the show area to watch the Michael Jackson show. So it's the next morning. We decided not to go out on Friday. So we just decided to sleep in and have a great breakfast and have a beach day. So take a look at these beautiful, beautiful ocean waves.
So beautiful. And look at the men here. They're selling their goods right out of the water. Isn't that crazy? Wow, it's just gorgeous.
I definitely love the beach, and that is why I travel, to get to the beach. I love it. And with being in an all-inclusive hotel right on the beach, you can have food any time of day, you can have drinks. So that's one of my biggest money-saving tips for you, is to get an all-inclusive if they have it, so that you can drink when you want to. You don't have to pull out your car, you don't have to tip, and that'll save you a lot of money when you travel. And take a look at some of the great food, and then look at what happens next.
The power keeps going out at the resort. It's like completely dark. It's crazy. The whole resort completely dark. Crazy. Yeah, how are they gonna cook in the dark?
Yep, that's what happened several times. So that is one thing about the Bureau Star. The power went out a lot. I didn't really like that. But we had a good time anyway. We got dressed, and now we're going to the nightclub. So we went to Margaritaville on Saturday night. And take a look at this.
We had a party, we need to make it all a good time. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Check it. Walking it, walking it.
Party time. All right, this is one of the best things to do in Jamaica because the music, of course, you know, I know somebody at the door. So he gave us a good deal on the VIP, and you can tell we're right on the water. So Margaritaville is right on the ocean. The next morning, I got up and I said, hey, let's find some excursions. So you can see they have everything, horseback riding, rafting. Of course, we had to do the rafting. So we got a tour guide. It was about an hour and a half drive. We stopped at some markets, got some fruit. We got some sugar cane, which was so good. You'll see me eating that in a moment in the video. My friend Cash and I were the only two ones that were brave enough to get on this raft. That's our tour guide there with the coconuts, fresh coconut. And here we go.
These were not good shoes to wear. Maybe I will buy some water shoes. Mm-hmm. That's what they can sell us.
Right.
Oh, you about to do a backflip? Are you about to do a backflip?
I don't know.
Let's see.
He loves his job.
Yeah. I could tell you about to do something because he was like, see y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Right.
Good job.
Coconut. There's a lot of coconut water in it.
That's why I'm like,
And
no, you can keep the bigger one.
It's a little more salty than I expected.
Yeah.
It has sweetness, but it's more salty.
Lord of mercy, boys. Ready for I'm ready. Pepper ready. Lord of mercy. Hey.
Okay.
The coconut was so fresh. We just stuck a straw in it and started drinking it. As you can see here, the weather was gorgeous. My outfit was gorgeous. And so get that outfit at the link in the description.
You say his name? Toto. But the way you said it though, girl.
Oh, look at this.
Are you enjoying it?
And a little
Happy?
sugar cane. Wow, that feels so good. Fresh sugar cane.
And cheers.
Hey, Daddy. Come. Listen now. Yabby there. Yabby. Hobby. Hey. Sure. All right, got this.
Thank you. What's your name? Ryan. Thank you, Ryan.
That's my boss right here.
loves his job.
Yeah. I could tell he was about to do something because he was like, see y'all later and bye y'all.
Right.
Hey girls, we got to rock and roll. But the skin purpose is good for like mosquito bite, sunburn, gives you a cool complexion, just underneath the feet bottom. Any form of skin rash, allergies, pimples in the face, aftershave, you name it. I got you girls, man, don't worry. So first time you're in Jamaica?
Mine, not hers.
Oh, so she's a Jamaican.
Oh,
American. Yes. I'm broke in.
So up ahead here, this is one of the oldest stone bridges in Jamaica. It was built in 1828, built by limestone and molasses. No form of steel reinforcement and never ever repaired. Only overflowed once in 1979 by a flood called 12 of June, 11 days of rain, water right over. Hey. I'm not leaving yet.
How it ended. Still beautiful on this river, but man, look at those rapids.
So we decided to grab something to eat. Our tour guide was so sweet. He took us to a local restaurant called Peppa's, and I got to pick my own fish that they would prepare in a delicious coconut milk and veggies and everything. Look at the fish. They're literally fresh right out of the ocean, and I got to pick one, and I had no idea how to do that. So I just said eeny, meeny, miny, mo, and here it is. Doesn't that look just delicious? It was just as good as it looks. It had so much flavor, and it just fell off the bone.
Why some big boy, you know? She look for a lot.
Red one.
Red one, it's the red one. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I'm sorry, Kisha.
No, don't be sorry.
You have to be careful of the bones, okay?
Yeah, that's enough. I don't want to take. I need them to give me whatever this recipe is so I can cook this in my. Yes, I need to do this at home. Oh, he shared an oxtail with me.
You want a piece of an oxtail too? Or you don't miss one?
Would you like some shrimp, sir?
Okay.
Take a couple shrimp in the curry.
So the party girls are back out again, and so this is, I believe it was called 2727, 2525, something like that, and there's no cover to get in. However, you can only buy bottles, so you can't just go up to the bar and buy a drink, a mixed drink, or shots. No, you have to buy the whole bottle. So bottles start at $40, and they go up from there, but the music is a mix of reggae, hip-hop, rap, all that good stuff, and it goes until about 4 a.m., so you'll be out there all night. And again, this is on the ocean too, which is nice. So now it's the next morning. I'm going to have a little fruit and have another beach day. So nice out here. Just look at this. I just absolutely love Jamaica, and the weather is always gorgeous. Nice beach day, and now it's time for dinner. And of course, you can get this cute little number on Amazon.
guess when you got a big group, it's a decent way to do it.
Well, that's a wrap. And if you are looking for a significant other, there are plenty of suitors in Jamaica. We had a blast. I'm married, but hey, you may be looking for that. The men were really, really nice. We had a great time. If you're looking for more money saving tips, check me out on LakeishaSimmons.com. Bye-bye.